Today we will paint this watercolor green bottle together. I will be using my own set of brushes which you can buy from the link in the description. Let's get started. First you need to download the sketching palette from the link below. It is free. Now select the Draw Here layer, select the main brush, choose color and paint the entire bottle one color. You can go beyond the edges of the sketch. We will remove it later. To make the color denser, brush the brush several times. Now add a new layer, choose a color a little darker and continue adding shadows. Add a new layer and choose the darkest color. Merge down all the layers with the bottle. Go to Adjustments, choose Gaussian Blur and swipe right across the screen with a pencil until you see 6%. Then take a new eraser and go along the edge of the sketch. For eraser I use a brush from the calligraphy section, the name Script brush. Then go to Selection, select Automatic Selection, select the bottle, choose Invert, swipe down the screen with 3 fingers and select Cut. Now again, I go to Select, choose Freehand and highlight all the places that will be light. To add other areas to the selection, click Add. Then I select the phaser to make the border blurry, approximately 9%. Now go to Adjustments, choose Hue, Saturation, Brightness and change brightness. Make it lighter. Now let's add a new layer to create highlights. I choose white color, choose the main brush and paint. Then go to Adjustments, choose Gaussian Blur and swipe right across the screen with the pencil until you see 5%. Now I want to add some details to the neck of the bottle. I select the main brush, choose medium green color, then a darker color. I add details throughout the bottle. Then I select the water blend brush and blend the lines. After that, I turn off the sketch and see that I want to add some details. Choose again main brush, color and paint. Well, now everything is definitely ready. In the comments you can write what you would like me to draw next time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!